Well, here we are a week later. Can you believe this? Oh, look, I think I can get the door open today. A week later. Can you believe that? Amazing. Just amazing. And it's still coming down. They say maybe 2 more inches. 2 more inches. Man. Man, oh man. What fun. Do. Looking out my front door. One more time.